Hello everyone, I am Bhanupriya DA from Sri Venkateshwara College of Engineering. Welcome everyone to this presentation on network devices. In today's world of technology, we rely heavily on networks to connect us to the internet, share information, and communicate with others. But have you ever wondered how all these devices are connected? That's where network devices come in. Network devices play a crucial role in enabling communication and information exchange between people and machines. From switches to routers to wireless access points, these devices form the backbone of modern technology and make our digital lives possible. But what exactly are network devices and why are they so important? Basically, what is network? Two or more computers connected together is called a network. Computer network is a digital telecommunication network which allows nodes to share resources. Here, nodes can be defined as the connection point among network devices such as routers, printers, or switches that can receive and send data from one endpoint to another endpoint. Networking devices are components used to connect computers or other electronic devices together so that they can share files or resources like printers or fax machine. Devices used to set up a local area network, that is LAN, are the most common type of network devices used by the public. A LAN requires a hub, switch, router, etc. Network devices are also called as communicating devices. At their core, network devices are hardware components that allow different devices to communicate with each other over a network. They come in many shapes and sizes, from small switches that connect a few computers in an office to large routers that route traffic between either cities or countries. Without these devices, our ability to access information and communicate with one another would be severely limited. There are many types of networking devices: network interface card, hub, switch, bridge, router, modem, gateway, etc. Switch. Switches are an essential component of modern technology, allowing multiple devices to communicate with each other efficiently. They work by forwarding data packets between devices on the same network using the MAC address of each device to determine where to send the packet next. Hubs and switches are both used to connect devices in a network, but they both work in very different ways. Switches create a direct connection between devices, but hubs simply broadcast data to all connected devices. This means that hubs can be less efficient and slower than switches. However, there are some situations where hubs may be useful. For example, if you need to connect a large number of devices in a small area, a hub may be more cost effective than multiple switches. Additionally, if you are working with older devices that do not support newer networking technology, a hub may be still necessary. Routers. A router is a networking device that forwards data packets between computer networks. It operates at the network layer of the OSI model and uses routing tables to determine the best path of forwarding packets. There are several types of routers, including edge routers, core routers, and wireless routers. Edge routers are used to connect local area networks to wide area networks. Core routers are used within service provider network to route traffic between different service provider networks. Wireless routers allow devices to connect to a wireless network using Wi-Fi technology. Routers have several features that can make them essential components of modern technology. They offer security features such as firewalls and virtual private network support, which helps protect network from unauthorized access. They also provide quality of service functionality, which allows network administration to prioritize certain types of traffic over others. This is especially important for applications like video conferencing or online gaming, which require low latency and high bandwidth. Modem, modulator or demodulator is a device that converts digital signals to analog signals and vice versa. It enables computers to communicate with each other over telephone lines or cable connections. Modems are used to connect to the internet, send faxes, and make voice calls over the internet. NIC, Network Interface Card, is a hardware component that allows a computer to connect to a network. It provides the physical connection between the computer and the network, enabling data to be transmitted and received. NICs can be wired or wireless, and it can support different types of networks such as Ethernet, Wi Fi, and Bluetooth. In conclusion, network devices are essential components in modern computing. They enable communication between devices, allow efficient data transfer, and enhance the overall performance of a network. Switches, hubs, and routers are three types of network devices that serves different purposes. Switches provide fast and secure connection between devices. Hubs are simple and inexpensive but can cause network congestion, while routers ensure efficient data transfer between networks. As technology continues to advance, the need for reliable and efficient network devices will only increase. It is important for individuals and business alike to understand the role of network devices in modern computing and stay up to date with the latest advancement in this field. Thank you.